Hello everybody. Well, it's Saturday morning, April 16th. So I was sitting here fiddling around with my newest hobby that I got from watching William's Knife Life. He does a lot of knife stuff, but he's also does a lock picking. He has a channel just for lock picking. If you watch his channel, William's Knife Life, he just did a video yesterday about picking locks. So when I got started, I had, believe it or not, some lockpick tools here. The person that owned my house before I bought it was a locksmith, a professional locksmith. A woman, older woman, retired from the Navy and took up locksmithing, and she had all the locksmith stuff here. When I bought the house, they left it here. And at the time, I wasn't really interested in it, so I sold everything. Wish I wouldn't have now, but I sold everything except for she left. There was some picks here. This single pick and tension wrench, and these 3 picks, which I have no idea what they're for. I'm sure the more I move on and advance, maybe I'll find out what they're for. And I bought a lockpick kit from Sparrow, which I found out about from William's channel. I forget what they call this set. That's just, I think, a beginner set or something. It comes with 4 picks, 4 different picks, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tension wrenches. Some of them are, you know, both sides, both ends, and some are just one tension, one. So, as I say, I just started learning, so I don't know what all this stuff really is for. But the first lock I bought was this master lock. When I first wanted to try to pick locks. And this is about average, what everybody buys. It's a number 3. And, you know, if I'd have needed a lock, I would have bought this and thought that I was pretty secure. But I brought it home, and this was before I got the Sparrow set, and I used these 2 that I had got from the person that owned the house, the locksmith. And it took me a while, but if you can see, this has just a little tiniest little nub there at the end, and this is locked. So I just brought it home, I fiddled with it, got frustrated, nothing happened. I kept watching some of Williams' videos and other ones, and got to the point where I could open this pretty easy. Now, the first tension wrench, when I did that video the other day, I made it out of a coat hanger, but then I remembered I had this one. So, I'm going to do that again. It's locked. And put the tension wrench in here. 4355. Part of the problem I had when I first was doing it was I was fighting too much, putting too much strength into it. You don't need to. It's just a pretty simple. Then I bought this lock. This is just a cheapie from Walmart. It's a hyper tough. And when I went in, let me turn my radio off. When I went into, I got the scanner going. when I went into Walmart, they had a display of locks, and they had this one there in the front, you know. So it's about the same size as the master lock number 3, a little bigger. And I thought, well, you know, probably people are going in there and they're buying these locks. They were, I think this was $9.95. And you'd think you were securing your stuff. You know, I would have. I thought so. So I brought it home. Excuse me. I brought it home, and with the wrenches I got from the Sparrow set, I actually got fairly lucky, I guess, because I picked this lock within minutes after I got it home. I painted orange on here just to help me separate. So I picked up this rake. I just looked at it. I thought, well, this rake, I might try this rake. I guess that's what they call that one. And get it in there. This is lock 2. And I started to fiddle. Fiddle around. And it popped it right open. So even me with my shaky hands from Essential Tremor, and these are the first 2 locks I've ever tried to pick. It's locked. You really you can just delicate, you know, you don't have to be too forceful. That was my problem the first time I tried. I was using too much strength. So there you go. So this is my new hobby. Like I need another hobby, like I need a hole in the head. But William got me interested in it. He's quite a guy. Check out his channel. Something fun to do, especially today. It's cold and raining. And I'll try some different locks. But I think it's strange that these are probably 2 of the locks most people would use. You know, lock up your shed, your garage, your toolbox, whatever. And yet, you're really not very secure. That one's locked up tight. Put that right in there. A little gentle pressure, gentle. And you pick it right open. Just like that. So, there's a little on my new hobby. And I'm gonna probably watch some TV. I gotta run the sweeper in the house and take a nap. So you guys all take care. Stay frosty. Dale out.